Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up using TenantCloud for screening and rent collection step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the TenantCloud website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in your personal information, including your email and password. Confirm your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your new TenantCloud account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select Settings from the side menu. In the Settings menu, find Tenant Screening options. Enable tenant screening by toggling the option on. Next, set up your screening criteria, such as credit score and rental history. Save your screening criteria settings. Now, proceed to set up rent collection. Head back to the dashboard. Select Payments or Rent Collection from the menu. Choose Set up Rent Payments. Input your bank information for direct deposit. Specify your preferred payment methods, like credit card or ACH transfer. Save your payment settings. Next, create a new listing for your rental property. Navigate to Properties in the side menu. Click on Add Property. Enter all necessary details about the property, including address and rent amount. Once the property is listed, invite potential tenants to apply. Send them the application link through email or social media. After applications are submitted, review them under the Tenants tab. Select a tenant and conduct the screening process. Once you've chosen a tenant, finalize the lease agreement. Navigate to the Leases section to create and send the lease. Once the lease is signed, set up recurring rent payments in the Payments section. Confirm the start date for rent collection. Your setup is now complete. You are ready to start screening tenants and collecting rent through TenantCloud. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.